तेज बोलिए, आई एम यूनिक स्पीकर इन द वर्ल्ड। बोलिए एक बार खुद को।
I'm a unique speaker.
मेरी आवाजों में, मेरी स्टाइल में, आई एम स्पेसिफिक स्पीकर इन द वर्ल्ड।
I'm the specific speaker in the world.
आई एम हियर टू डू समथिंग डिफरेंट फ्रॉम एवरीबॉडी।
I'm here to do something for here.
आई एम हियर टू डू समथिंग डिफरेंट,
I'm here to
डू
do
समथिंग
something
डिफरेंट
different
फ्रॉम एवरीबॉडी।
from everybody.
आई एम ओनली वन इन द वर्ल्ड,
I'm only one in the world.
ब्यूटीफुल इन द वर्ल्ड।
Beautiful in the world.
नाउ स्टार्ट योर क्राइटेरिया। बोलिए, जस्ट टेक बेनिफिट ऑफ दिस क्राउड।
So hello everyone, my name is Afsar Khan. Thank you Shamu sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity and wonderful chance to speak in front of you all. And I would like to talk about my topic. And today, you know, we are gathered here and we are learning. This is the learning time. We are using our precious time for our future capabilities and future enhancement, future advancement. You know, we are learning and we always dream that we will get success in our life, and we are doing many things in our life. We are learning, we are doing jobs, and we are spending lots of time to make our future. And this is very important for us because we know we have so many dreams and we want to achieve those kind of dreams for our family, for our precious thing, you know. So this is very important that this is the time we have to decide what are the learnings we have to achieve and what we are trying to do, those kind of things, because you know we will do in future when we will. This is the time we are utilizing and we are learning those kind of things which is important for us. It will give the time to us to improve ourselves. So I would like to tell you one thing, that this is the strength and capability, and you have to decide that if you want to conquer the world, first of all you have to conquer yourself, because we know what are weakness and we are working on it, right? And we are fighting on a daily basis for our weakness, and we understand, okay, this is my weakness and I am trying to learn and I am trying to fight for those weakness, and this is the only thing which is defeating me. And we always remember that thing, that these are the things which is defeating me, and I have to get success on myself, and I have to fight for that. And you just remember this thing, that you are not born to be ordinary, because you have chosen yourself that you want to become a extraordinary person for your life. That's why you are fighting for yourself. You're fighting for your weakness. You are not losing anything. You don't want to lose those kind of things. You want to get success. You want to achieve those kind of things. So this is very important for every person, because they are not taking responsibility. They always fear to take the responsibility. So if you are taking the responsibility for your life, that you have decided that you will become a successful person in your life, so you have to take that kind of the responsibility, because it will give you the power.
बहुत अच्छा,
It will give you the success, and whenever you will get success, you will take care of your family. You can achieve all the things whichever you dream in your life. If you want to purchase a home, good home, everyone has a dream that he want to purchase a good home for his life. He want to buy a car. So you have understood that these kind of the requirement for your life, for living a better life, and these are the terms which you have to achieve in your life, and you are struggling for that you have to get success. So this is the time, if you want to conquer the world, first of all you have to conquer yourself.
I'm asking you one question.
Fantastic. Big clapping for him.
I'm asking you one question. Everybody